If the only way your event makes money is by selling tickets, you've already lost because you've built yourself a high-stress, low-profit business model that forces you to spend all of your energy just filling seats. But what if the tickets were actually the least important part? If you want to use events as a way to bring in additional income, there's a mindset shift that you're going to have to make first, and it's this. Your event is not just a one-day experience. Your event is a business model. The events industry is projected to surpass $2 trillion globally by 2028. Yet, events are the single most underrated profit engine for women with deep expertise. I know this because I built the Second Act Summit from an idea into a 6-year and running event with sponsorships, partners, and institutional relationships, and the ticket sales were never the biggest check in the room because the most successful events operate like a system, generating income before the event, while it's happening, and long after everyone else has gone home. When you gather the right people in the room, you haven't just created an experience, you've built an asset. And the asset isn't the conference, brunch, or the workshop. The asset is the audience. Their attention is the product, their problems are the opportunity. Your access to them is the value that you can sell. If you're an experienced woman over 40, this is your superpower because you've been managing projects, leading teams, and building relationships for 20 plus years. Those aren't soft skills. They're high value commercial assets. You know how to organize, communicate, and solve problems. That makes you a natural born event producer. You just haven't been getting paid for it yet. So in this series, I'm breaking down the core income streams of any profitable event, regardless of size, before, during, and after your event. Before we go any further, I want to put one belief that you might have to rest. Your event doesn't have to be a 1,000-person conference. An event can be a 10-person paid workshop, an intimate leadership retreat, a curated networking brunch, or a mastermind for 6 people in your city. What matters is that you gather pre-qualified buyers in one place, because when you do that, you create access, and access is what you monetize. Access for sponsors who want to reach your audience, access for partners who want to collaborate, and access for you to identify your next high-ticket client. In the next video, we're diving straight into sponsorships, the most powerful piece of this whole model. I'm going to give you the exact framework to get sponsors for your event, even if it's small. We're going to build a proposal that positions you as a strategic partner and not a charity asking for a handout. This is how you can have your event paid for before you sell a single ticket. After that, we'll cover everything from VIP upsells to how you can use the energy of the event to fill your high-ticket programs on the back end, because the biggest money is almost always made after everyone goes home. This isn't about turning your event into a sales pitch, though. It's about designing a business model where the money follows the value. So here's your job before the next video. First, hit subscribe and turn on notifications right now. The next video is the one that can change the entire financial picture of your business. Second, drop a comment below and tell me, what is the #1 skill you've gained from your career that you know you could teach or facilitate in a workshop setting? Is it project management, communication, leadership? What is it? Claim it in the comments. I want to see what you're working with. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.